If you're like most car owners, you want your vehicle to last as long as possible without expensive repairs, breakdowns, or buying a new one every 5 years. Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your car last longer than ever, with simple tips that even mechanics wish you knew. Stick around till the end, because I've got one bonus trick that can add years to your engine's life. Let's dive in. Maintenance. Most people skip this or delay it, but it's like skipping doctor visits and wondering why you're getting sick. Number 1. Regular maintenance is not optional. It's survival. Oil changes. This is the lifeblood of your engine. Follow your manual, not just the every 3,000 miles rule. Modern cars often go 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Tire rotations. Uneven tire wear leads to poor handling, more strain on suspension, and, yep, more money spent. Fluids and filters. Transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, air, and cabin filters. These affect everything from performance to fuel economy. Number 2. Driving habits that kill your car. Your car's lifespan isn't just about what happens under the hood, it's about how you treat it behind the wheel. Cut 2. Driver flooring the gas, braking hard, then switch to smooth driver. Here's what's killing your car without you realizing it. Hard acceleration and braking. It stresses the engine, transmission, and brakes. Smooth is fast and long-lasting. Cold starts and revving. Never rev a cold engine. Let it warm up for at least 30 seconds in cold weather. Riding the brakes, especially downhill. Use lower gears when needed and avoid overheating your brake system. Number 3. The hidden enemies. Rust, dirt, and heat. Let's talk about the silent killers of your car, the ones you don't see until it's too late. Rust. Salt, moisture, and grime cause rust to spread like cancer under your car. Wash your vehicle, especially the undercarriage, regularly, especially in winter. Dirt. Dirt in your air filter equals lower efficiency. Dirty oil equals faster engine wear. Heat. Overheating is one of the most common reasons engines fail early. Check coolant levels and keep an eye on your temperature gauge. If it rises, don't keep driving. Number 4. Small parts, big problems. Spark plugs. Old plugs can cause misfires, rough idling, poor gas mileage, and even engine damage. Timing belt or chain. If this breaks, your engine might be toast. Replace it at recommended intervals. Battery and terminals. Corrosion here causes weak starts and electrical issues. Clean them every few months. Number 5. Your car needs a routine. Monthly. Check tire pressure, oil level, and lights. Every 3 to 6 months. Rotate tires, check brakes. Yearly. Alignment, battery test, air filter. Every 30,000 plus miles. Transmission fluid, spark plugs, coolant flush. Bonus tip. Add years to your engine's life. Use a fuel system cleaner every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. It clears out carbon buildup, keeps your injectors clean, and helps your engine run smoother. So, if you want your car to last longer than ever, remember, it's not about luck, it's about love. Treat it right, drive smart, and stay ahead of the small stuff. If you learned something today, hit that like button, subscribe for more car care tips, and comment below.